How to stop verification is required on App Store. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop verification required on App Store. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, you will need to scroll down until you find General. After you find General, tap on it. There you'll find Software Update. Tap on Software Update and make sure that you updated software to the latest version. So after you update your software, you can then head back. Now scroll down until you find an option that says Screen Time. Tap on it. There, scroll down again till you find Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure that it is turned on. After you turn that on, head over to iTunes and Allowed Apps and Features. Make sure that all of these is turned on and then head over to iTunes and App Store. After that, make sure that this is on Don't Require and all the others are allowed. After doing that, you can head back to your normal settings. Now tap on your Apple account on the top. After you do that, you'll then need to search for Media and Purchases. Tap on Media and Purchases and head over to Password Setting. After you head over to password setting, make sure that the free downloads is always turned off. After you do that, your verification will not be pop up again and again on App Store. And that's basically all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.